In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Systeme.io and set up email marketing in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Systeme.io dashboard. Open your browser and navigate to the Systeme.io login page. If you haven't already set up an account, be sure to do that first. For those who have an account, enter your login email and password to get started. Once you've input your credentials, click on Sign In. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Systeme.io dashboard. Here, you'll want to hover your mouse over to the Websites tab. This is where all your website and funnel related operations are managed. Next, click on Sales Funnel. This will lead you to a page where you can organize your various funnels. To create a new funnel, click on Create. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your funnel, so type in something relevant and memorable. Now you'll need to specify the type of funnel you'll work with. Click Custom and proceed to select your preferred currency. Make sure you choose the currency that aligns with your target audience and business operations. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit Save. With your funnel saved, locate and click on the name of the funnel you just created to start adding elements to it. To begin, click on Add Step to create a new funnel step. You'll need to name this step, so use something descriptive like landing page to keep everything clear and organized. It's then time to select the step type. Since we're focusing on creating a landing page, choose Sales Page from the available options. Now we get to the fun part, designing your landing page. Select a pre-designed template that suits your style from the array of options provided. These templates save you time and help maintain a professional look. To customize it, edit the page content by adding your headline, subheading, body text, and any images that align with your brand and message. Don't forget to include a compelling call to action button. This directs visitors on what to do next and is vital for conversion. Next, it's time to create your form, add a field to capture email addresses, and include other relevant fields if necessary. Make sure the form complements the overall design aesthetics of your landing page. With your form in place, it's crucial to set up email automation. Navigate to the automation section within your funnel. Here, create an email sequence that subscribes new visitors who opt in through your landing page. This step ensures continued engagement with your audience. Finally, once you are satisfied with your landing page design and your form is correctly set up, click Publish to make it live for your audience. And there you have it, a landing page complete with email marketing setup, efficiently created using Systeme.io.